Welcome back. So the next little sequence you will see, it's mainly done on the wall, which is mostly because a lot of times when we have or suffer from chronic illnesses like fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue, for example, we have a lack of energy. We can't hold ourselves up. So this is a nice little exercise to really bring your weight down onto the mat, but also bring your legs up to the wall, which is like releasing or taking a lot of weight from the body. And we do a little exercise where we stretch our side, so it's good for neck issues, for example. Then also we activate the bladder meridian, which is good because it really runs from the face down along the spine. So when you suffer from migraine, mainly in this area, is a nice little exercise. You can release pain and tension here. And yeah, so it's all about you finding your own pace and also try to find out how long you want to stay in these little parts of these exercises. And let's get the legs up the wall then. Let's move as close as you can get towards the wall with the side of your body, so the right side here. When you found it, move towards the mat, lying your back on the mat, and then wriggle a little bit closer with your bottom towards the wall, really having close contact here with your bottom and the wall. Bring your arms behind your head, opens your chest a little bit, stretches it. Your heels really move towards the sky, towards the ceiling, and toes drop towards the face here. What we want to do is we want to stretch the back of the legs. Nice little exercise to relieve back pain and stretch the bladder meridian, which runs down on the backside of the legs. Water element, it's about rejuvenating, resting, accessing your energy here. Also a nice little exercise when you have like migraine, mostly on the forehead of your body. Stretches along the spine here, releasing tension. You can open your arms a little more, maybe mat wide if you want, or bring them gently back towards your body, resting one hand on your chest, one on your belly, really noticing the touch of your hand on your body, maybe the warmth, cold of your hand. Heels still move towards the ceiling, toes towards the face. Face is relaxed, eyeballs are relaxed, mouth slightly open. You will relax the jaw. Also noticing where you notice your breath. Is it more in the chest, more in the belly? And slowly stretch out your arms to the side, bringing or lowering your legs, bringing the soles of the feet together. So butterfly position here on the wall. You can rest your hands on your knees, so give it a little bit of resistance here. And also maybe check if you want to keep your legs or your feet at that height, or you want to bring them a little closer to your body. Just try out different options and then feel what feels good right now. And yeah, for an extra stretch, resting your hands on your inner thighs, on your inner knees, and giving it a little bit of resistance. Belly button moves towards the spine here. Face is relaxed, eyeballs are relaxed. Hand can stretch out behind your head. Again, can grab your wrist, your elbows, or just having them loosely lying behind you. Soles touch. Palms are relaxed. The inside of the palms is soft. Chest is soft. Notice Where in your body do you feel the stretch? And really breathe into this area. And like any still postures, you can decide how long you want to stay in there. And then bring your arms up towards your knee, pushing your knees together with your hands. And then move a little bit away from the wall so you have a right angle with your legs, 90-degree. And then just rest there, your hands on the side of the body. Palms can face upwards. Just to get used to this posture here, getting familiar, dropping the weight into the floor. And then bringing up your left foot, crossing it over your right thigh. So like approximately one hand between knee and foot. So the foot a little bit away from the knee. And with your right hand you can give your right knee a little bit of resistance while the sole of the foot moves towards your face. So almost like a little mirror. So the sole of the foot is like a little mirror you want to see your face in. And the knee moves away from your face towards the wall. You can keep one hand on your chest, the left hand. Nice little opener for the groin here too, when you move the sole of the foot towards your face. And then slowly relax, bring your foot back towards the wall, and then cross the other one over. Again, one hand in between knee and foot. You can adjust a little, and then with your left hand, give it a little bit of resistance here. The knee, sole of the foot slowly moves towards your face like a little mirror. You can rest your hand on your chest or on your belly, your right hand. You can decide how long you want to stay in here. You're breathing into the stretch. Also notice your breath. If it's relaxed and deep, then you're in the right spot. If it's a bit shallow, maybe it's good to move out or adjust your position with your leg. Relax your leg, bringing it back towards the wall, your feet, and then move your feet wider than the mat, and then bring your knees together so your knees meet. They almost like a magnet are drawn towards each other, feet more than mat wide. Nice little stretch for the back. Resting your hands on your chest and belly here. Knees lean into each other. And then slowly roll towards your right side, resting your body on the floor, noticing the floor rolling up gently over the side, coming back into a cross-legged position with your eyes closed, resting your hands on your knees, on your thighs, upright position, relaxing your face. Wonderful. We're sitting next to the wall, so facing the wall with our right side. So bring your right knee as close as you can get towards the wall. And then extend your hand out towards the back, and then slowly climbing up with your hand and bringing your elbow a little bit down, not shoulder height, a little bit higher, like eye level, resting your palm on the wall, and then the left hand almost like hip level, can rest on fingertips on the block. You move your head towards the left shoulder, away from the wall. Shoulders move towards the hips here. You can adjust with your hand. You can move a little bit back. You can move forward. You can move towards your body. So we really want to stretch the right side here, neck area. And then breathe into the stretch here. Again, shoulders move towards hip.
Eyes are relaxed, mouth is relaxed, slightly open. You can bring the tip of the tongue behind the front row of your teeth so it hangs down like a little hammock inside the mouth. Relaxes the jaw completely. Keep breathing. Again, you can decide how long you want to stay in there, relaxing your face. If your arm doesn't feel comfortable anymore, you can slide it down a little. And then slowly bring back your left hand and then the fingers towards the head and push up your head with your fingertips towards the center of your body. Let it slide down, both of your hands towards your knees, your thighs, and really resting them on your legs, on your knees, and noticing any sensations. And also, how does the right side feel different from the left side? When you're ready, roll back, release your legs. So this time we approached the wall from the other side, so left side and slides up, 90-degree angle, elbow higher than shoulder height, eye level height, palm rests smoothly on the wall, and then the right hand stretches out like hip level. Can stay on your fingertips, on your palm, on a block, whatever feels comfortable. And then the head moves away from the wall towards the right shoulder. You can adjust your arms, move it a little bit back, closer, forward. And then keep breathing into the stretch, keeping your face relaxed, your eyeballs relaxed, mouth slightly open. Tip of the tongue behind the front row of your teeth. Shoulders move back and towards hips so that we have a nice little gap between ear and shoulder here, so that shoulders can relax the neck area a little bit more. And stay as long as it feels comfortable. Check your breath if it's still relaxed and deep. If your arm feels a bit numb or not comfortable from on the wall, can move it a little bit back. And then slowly push up your head towards the center, resting your left hand on the knee. Sliding down with your right hand towards the knee, and take a moment to really notice any sensations. Also the difference between right side and left side. Is there any difference? And then when you're ready, roll back, extend legs, and notice again. And that's it. Thank you.